In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a UTM tagged URL. If you've ever wondered how to track exactly where your traffic is coming from, UTM tags are the answer. They're short snippets you add to a URL so your analytics tools can attribute clicks to the right source, medium, and campaign. Let's walk through the full process from grabbing your page link to saving it as a reusable trigger link. First, open your website or funnel platform and head to the Sites area where your landing pages live. Find the landing page you want to track. Click the three dots or options menu next to that page and choose Copy Link. This gives you the base URL we'll tag. If your page already has a question mark and parameters, that's okay. Just make sure you know what's there so you don't duplicate anything later. Now, open ChatGPT in your browser. In the prompt box, type something like, "Build a UTM tagged URL with this link," then paste your landing page URL. For the best results, include the details you care about, such as UTM our source, like Facebook or newsletter, UTM our medium, such as CPC or email, UTM our campaign, your campaign name, and, if needed, UTM our content or UTM a term. Keeping names short, descriptive, and lowercase will make your reports cleaner. Click Submit, and let ChatGPT generate the tagged link. When it's ready, copy the full URL it provides. Next, switch back to your browser and paste that URL into a new tab to test it. The page should load correctly, and you should see the UTM parameters after a question mark, separated by ampersands. If you spot spaces or special characters, make sure they're encoded properly, and confirm the link doesn't redirect in a way that drops the tags. With your tagged link confirmed, head into the marketing section of your platform and open the Trigger Links area. Click Add Link to create a new one. Give your link a clear, descriptive name so your team knows exactly what it's for. For example, Facebook ad, test. Then paste the UTM tagged URL into the destination field. Finally, click Save. And that's it. You've captured your landing page URL, used ChatGPT to append clean UTM parameters, tested the link, and saved it as a trigger link for easy reuse. Pro tip: establish a naming convention for source, medium, and campaign, and stick to it across all channels. Consistency ensures your analytics stay organized, and your reports tell a clear story about where your best traffic comes from.